Oh, hey, didn't see you there. What's this? Nothing much. Just my Krytac Trident Mark II CRBM with an adjustable hopup, a maxx trigger, and just a gate tighten. Nothing much. Oh, you want to hear more about it? Don't worry, I got you. One of the many awesome things about this gun is the maxx trigger. It's a really short, small speed trigger meant for getting out as many rounds as possible in a short amount of time. As you can see on this semi-auto fire, it is a super good reaction time. Another really nice part of this gun is the binary trigger feature that comes from the gate tighten. As you can see here, every trigger pull makes the gun shoot twice, once when you pull the trigger and once when you release it. This feature allows you to shoot very fast. Here's a short fire test of a full auto. Another great feature is the maxx hopup, allowing you to have the advantage at any range. Of course, this gun came with Chris and krytac symbols all over it, which is a really nice feature. I just want to say huge thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the gameplay footage of this amazing gun.